Want to level up your code management game? Let's dive into pushing a VS Code project to GitHub with the terminal. First, open your VS Code project and access the terminal, usually at the bottom if it's not already. Initialize your project as a Git repository. Using a specific command, this initializes a hidden folder and allows Git to track changes. Next, stage all your changes using a command. This tells Git which files to include in your commit. Think of it like selecting the files before sending them to the cloud. Now, commit your stage changes. A commit is like saving a snapshot of your project. At this point, it's crucial to add a descriptive message explaining the changes. These messages help you and others understand the project's evolution over time. Next, we connect your local project to your GitHub repo by adding a remote. Copy your repo's URL from GitHub. Then, use a command with the URL. Name it origin to designate it as your main remote. Time to push. Use a command to push your local branch to the remote. This uploads your committed changes to GitHub. You'll likely need to enter your GitHub username and password or a personal access token. Your code is now backed up. Verify the changes on GitHub. Continue making changes, committing, and pushing to keep them synchronized. Use descriptive commit messages so you understand the project's history. And subscribe.